Next, example 50. Here I am discussing one of the good examples. If the sum of length of the hypotenuse and a side of right angle triangle is given, so that area of the triangle is maximum when the angle between them is pi by 3. So there is a right angle triangle, its hypotenuse and one side is given. We have to prove that its area is maximum when this angle theta is pi by 3. A is maximum. And sum of hypotenuse and one side x is given. It is constant. Now see the solution. Area of the triangle is 1 upon 2. Let it is y. So x into y. Half of the base into height. Since x square plus y square equal to h square. Here x, h, y, they all are variable, but their sum is constant. Let this sum is k. So a equal to 1 upon 2 x, and value of y is root of h square minus x square. It is a function of x and h. We will find the value of h. It is k minus x. Putting this value here. So a equal to 1 upon 2 x into root of k minus x whole square minus x square. From this we will get 1 upon 2 x into root of, make the whole square. So it is k square plus 2kx. X square is cancelled out. Again there is a root, so we will make the square. So a square equal to 1 upon 4 x square into k square plus 2kx. It is negated, minus. Then it is 1 upon 4 k square x square minus 2kx cube, which is the function of x only because k is constant. Student, let a square equal to z, then z is the function of x. Now we will find dz over dx. It is 1 upon 4 k square into x into 2x minus 2k constant into 3x square. Since again first order derivative is 0, dz over dx is 0. From this we will get 2k square x equal to 2k into 3x square. 2 cancel, k cancel, 1 x is cancelled. So k equal to 2x. K equal to 3x. And k equal to x plus h. So x plus h equal to 3x and h equal to 2x. From this x upon h equal to 1 upon 2 and x upon h, that is the base upon hypotenuse, or it is cos theta. This angle is theta, then if this is theta, then x upon h equal to cos theta. So cos theta is 1 by 2, which is the value of cos pi by 3. So theta equal to pi by 3 here. One part is proved here. Again we will find second order derivative. d2 z over dx square. It is 1 upon 4 2k square minus 6k into 2x. Derivative of x square is 2x. Here 2k common into k minus 6x. Since x equal to h upon 2, so d2 z over dx square equal to k by 2 into k minus 3 into 6 into h upon 2. It is 3. K by 2 into minus 2 h. The value of k is x plus h minus 2 minus 3h. Then it is k by 2 into x minus 2h. Then x equal to h by 2. So it is k by 2 into h by 2 minus 2h, k by 2 into minus 2 to the 4 upon 2. It is 3 by 2h, which is negative. Therefore, z is maximum. Z is maximum. This implies that a square is maximum. Hence, A area is maximum when theta equal to pi by 3.